Efren Battle Reyes.
Oh, the 9-ball. Wow.
Nice.
Damn!
Swerte.
Another one.
Efren Battle Reyes again.
What the fuck?
Who are you?
Swerte lang yun.
Here we go again. Brace yourselves for another shot. Didn't quite hit that as much as we would have wanted, but nonetheless, look at this.
Wala na, finish na.
Another safety shot, weighing his options.
Efren Battle Reyes. Bank shot.
Wow. Wow.
Emotional, damn it!
Oh my.
Another one.
Another shot for Efren Battle Reyes.
There you go.
Yes.
Oh my god! Wow! Nice.
See?
US dollars.
Oh, it's this. That was lucky.
Wow
Nice shot.
naman! Wow! Make it official. One.
There you go.
Bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Crowd goes wild.
Magandang araw mga kabilyar.
And your winner.
Sana naman pong laro ng Efren Bata manood sa araw na to. Philippines Big Time Billiard 10 ball race 9. Philippines versus China. Efren Reyes versus Hua Jiang. 5,000 po ang may uwi na mananalo sa larong ito.
Push out. Well, looks like you're gonna opt for the push here, Hadley.
Push out po si Hua Ji King.
Because you hardly move that. But you put that in a position wherein, you know, he's not gonna make Efren. I started to think a little.
Hindi po tinira ni Efren Bata Reyes. So balik sa lamesa si Hua King. So ito pong si Hua King mga kabilyarista ay hindi pipitsuging manlalaro ng China. Siya po ay 2 times world champion sa loob ng isang taon. Noong 2005, siya po ay ng world champion sa 9 ball at 8 ball. So napakagaling po ng batang manlalaro na to at siya po ay 34 years old sa kasalukuyan. $5,000 ang may uwi na mananalo sa laban na to. 10 ball billiard, big time.
Balls on the table. Just has to push all the balls. Five. I think he's near to 5, so he doesn't need a lot of ball.
Efren Bata Reyes. Hua King. Open na mga bola. Ito pong si Hua King mga kabilyaris.
You said it's an open table ready for Efren. And all of a sudden, everybody.
Isang Koreano at siya po ay naglalaro sa bansang China. Mas pinili niya pong maglaro sa bansang China. Bata pa lamang siya ay naglalaro na ng bilyar at isa na po siyang napakagaling na bilyarista. Eight ball.
Last game of the year.
What a way to end the year, obviously, when they have somebody like Efren Bata Reyes. As you can see, we've been doing this for maybe about 2 months.
Nice shot.
So many big stars playing, but I don't think we've actually seen the
1-0.
area back the way they
Lamang na po ng isang rack si Hua King ng China. Rack 2.
Youngest.
Wu Jia on break again.
Well, in fact,
Wala pong pumasok na bola sa break ni Wu. Efren Battle Reyes.
He already made a very surprising miss.
Bang shot po ang ginawa niya, pero
I think he was trying to pocket it to the corner, right?
hindi po nag-success ang tira na Efren Battle Reyes.
So no need for
Open kay Wu ang bola 1. Nice shot.
two goes in.
actually watch 10 ball. You gotta call the pocket. If it does go in, there are no lucky shots.
Tumago ang bola 2 sa tirang yun ni Wu.
Stays up.
At gumamit po siya ng rail para tamaan ang bola 2, pero nagbintis po siya. Efren Battle Reyes.
You think that gets behind the 10? It doesn't. It's an open ball. Maybe not enough.
Open shot ang bola 2.
Also with a very easy miss. Snap.
Mintis po ang tira ni Wu Jia sa kanyang bank shot.
Again. Table. Very open table.
Have you had any news about how Efren is doing? I don't
Nice shot for Efren Battle Reyes.
think that much change.
I think so too. Maybe because of the age. That's also one factor.
Open na open ng mga bola para kay Efren Battle Reyes, mga kabilyarista.
Catches up.
Maybe his eye is not as sharp as it used to be, but sometimes even the way he strokes that ball, but obviously
Perfect pa rin ang kanyang preparation sa ball number 3.
Still knows a lot of shots, but young players don't. Very good safety player, Efren is. Yeah.
5 bola na lang naiiwan.
For me, the closest player, Efren.
Bang klase po talaga maglaro po itong sa Efren Battle Reyes, mga kabilyarista.
Admire him.
Almost perfect lahat po ang kanyang preparation.
Didn't quite get enough kick.
Dito po nag-alanganin sa bola 8. No problem pa rin.
that time he's gonna fall base. Have to stretch out. That's the pocket that he shooting
Manipis na pina para kay Efren Battle Reyes.
Queuing also.
Presto.
Boy, he made
1-0 na po ang score.
Perfect.
Efren with a break here.
Winner breaks po ang rule natin dito. So, Efren Bata po ang magbe-break sa rack 3. May pumasok na bola sa kanyang break.
But he gets the one ball drop. Problem is, he's got no vision eye. Or he can push it.
Pasok po ang bola 1, pero may problema po sa bola 2. Masyadong nakatago.
He's gonna go for the push.
So, nag-push out sa Efren Battle Reyes. Pero hindi po ito tinira ni Wu Jia. So, siya po ang titira sa bola 2.
Oh, the 9 ball. Wow.
Yes! So,
Buenas naman ito.
What the fuck?
But the problem is, right now, once again, he's got no shot at
I think that shot was about perfect. That's why it's not quite. 10 ball corner.
pero alanganin pa rin ang bola 2 para kay Efren Battle Reyes. Pero di problema. Grabe.
Oh my.
Emotional, damn it!
Isang napagandang bank shot ang ginawa na Efren Battle Reyes. 2-1 na po ang score. Lamang na po sa Efren Battle Reyes. At nasa rack 4 na po tayo. Sa Efren uli ang nag-break. May pumasok na bola.
That's gonna go down as a mistake here for the magician. Pocket the ball, he got the one to go.
Napakaganda po ng tirang ginawa na Efren Battle Reyes. cue ball scratch. So ball in hand kay Ujia.
7 probably in the side pocket. I mean the 4. Enough angle. Get to the 6.
Perfect pa rin ang kanyang preparation.
Oh, doesn't want that.
Oh,
Actually, that's the second time it happened already. Now one is coming to contact the ball. It's
dumikit po ang bola Jess sa bola 6 na next ball.
Going between the 9 and the 10 is a very risky shot.
well, you know who's not one of those
So,
players
Wajia
who likes to
King.
simplify his life. He likes to
Tignan natin ang kanyang gagawin.
really tough shots to show everybody his skill level. It's a very simple safety.
Isang safety shot po ang ginawa ni Bu. Efren Bato Reyes
Well, you know,
using the rail.
here we go again. Brace yourselves for another shot.
Bang klase po talaga po itong si Efren Bato Reyes.
Another safety shot.
Ang galing mo pala dyan ah.
Maybe he's gonna play rail first. Yeah, I think he called a
King of real kick shot po itong si Efren Bato Reyes, mga kabilyarista.
doesn't want to hit it too hard.
Uji
Just about near.
siya naman
the
po ang
10 ball.
gagamit ng rail. Cue ball scratch po mga kabilyarista. At ball in hand po para kay Efren Bato Reyes.
Right before this match, though, I was looking at the odds, and the odds were heavily stacked in the favor of Woodshot King.
Well, Efren's shocking everyone right now.
People, I'm sure
Perfect na perfect ang kanyang preparation. Tatlong bola na lang ang naiiwan.
You know, I think even if Wu wins here, that shot would still be.
Oh yes, that is
Nice shot.
annals of billiards history. That was absolutely tremendous. Starting out with his shot,
Then the 10.
then the 10.
Oh, he overshot that one.
Medyo napalakas po ang turn na Efren Bato Reyes
10 ball, left corner.
para sa kanyang last ball na 10 ball.
Just really baffling a lot of the stars.
Yes.
Gets down when he goes.
Good job.
3-1 na po ang score mga kabilyarista. Lamang na po ng dalawang rack sa Efren Bato Reyes. Nasa rack 5 na po tayo at sa Efren Bato po nag-break.
It's gonna be a dry break. He was able to
Wala pong pumasok na bola sa kanyang break. Wujia King. Open ang bola 1 para sa kanya.
wants to get that fast speed. He does.
Nice shot.
A lot of errors from Wu. See if he can make up for those errors.
Open lahat ang mga bola para kay Wujia King ng China.
That should be going to Wu. It's an open table.
I like the way Wu strokes his cue. It's very smooth. Simple shots.
Now I think he's doing
Two-time
what
world
we were
champion
suggesting he did earlier.
Wujia King ng Chinese professional billiard players. Apat na bola na lang po ang naiiwan.
Wu tried to go between the 9 and the 10 a while ago. Which led to some first error.
Well, he paid for that mistake, and right now I think he's not going to do anything close to that anymore.
Medyo dumigit po ang cue ball sa rail.
Power this one out.
Nice shot for Wujia King.
Up. Leaning the table. 9 ball slightly hit the rail
Easy shot sa 10 ball.
Wu shot Jing.
2-3.
Into the mouth. Nice.
3-2 na po ang score. Sana lamang po ang rack na kaalamangan ni Efren Battle Reyes. At nasa number 6 na po tayo.
From that spot.
Wu ang magbe-break po.
Wu continues to hammer down those balls. Looks like it's going to be a second consecutive dry break.
Not looking too lucky.
Wala pong pumasok na bola sa kanyang break. Efren Battle Reyes open ng ball number 1. 10 ball po ang laro nila mga kabilyarista at race 9 po ito. Ang mananalo ay mag-uwi ng $5,000.
Draw this one back. Put a lot of power in his shot. Or you can choose to...
Medyo alanganin po ang sitwasyon na to para kay Efren Battle Reyes.
Wow.
Wow, look at that.
Pero minanilang po ni Efren Battle Reyes ang tira na yon.
Right down the gut.
Open na open po ang bola 3.
Trying to hit the 9.
Grabe po. Medyo alanganin po ang kanyang preparation.
He's gonna play safety here.
Foul ball, corner.
Efren Battle Reyes sa isang napakanipis na pina.
He's got to really make this cue ball work.
Wow.
Wala pa rin problema.
Look at that.
Nice shot.
Does it get there though? No, it doesn't.
Pero tumago po ang bola. 5.
5 ball, corner.
Grabe po talaga itong nangyayari sa ngayon. Efren Battle Reyes.
Wow.
Wala pa rin problema. Muntik nang mag-scratch ang cue ball. Nice shot for Efren Battle Reyes. Long shot naman po para sa bola 6.
First rack. Again,
Oh,
By a mile.
I don't think Efren likes long shot.
medyo alanganin naman po kasing tira yan mga kabilyarista. Chance po ni
Woo.
Wu na maka-score o di kaya i-tie up ang
Step back.
score. Oh,
But it looks like he's gonna get second prize here. I don't think
mintis pero
he's gonna kick at this.
nagtago po ang bola 6 para kay Efren Battle Reyes.
Gets it. Now, any competition?
Open shot for Wu, ang bola 6.
Yeah.
Ten ball, left corner.
Ito po. Ako po delikado to. Possible combination na to mga kabilyarista.
He has to get this to get a tie. Gets it.
Parang ako dahil mas lamang ako dito eh.
Ano ako makapaniwala?
3-all na po ang score mga kabilyarista.
Wu's gonna break.
Break again.
Good to break.
Rack number 7 na po tayo at si Wu ang magbe-break.
Powerful break.
Hammer that ball.
But still a dry break.
Again, it's gonna be a dry break. And look at this, another perfect.
Wala pong pumasok na bola sa break ni Wu.
See the cue movement. It's very good. The cue stopped.
Efren Battle Reyes, open shot.
The only problem is,
Went down.
yeah.
And now he's big.
Nasa rack number 7 na po tayo mga kabilyarista at
Clean up the table.
3-all po ang score.
Too much power in that shot.
Ball number 6 na lang po ang problema na Efren Battle Reyes dito. Kailangan magawan niya po to ng isang perfect na preparation
I think,
from ball number 5 to ball number 6
which is quite
para maibalik po niya ang kanyang kalamangan kay Wu Jiaqing ng China.
trying to look for a good 5. Get it down. Position for 5. Very crucial. Doesn't
Nice shot for Efren Bata Reyes. Kailangan ma-perfect niya po ang kanyang preparation.
The makeable 6.
Medyo alanganin po kasi. Oh. Nice shot.
Draw that one.
Nagawan po na Efren Bata Reyes.
Now here.
Napakagaling po talaga ng magician.
Shot similarly.
Nasa ball number 7 na po tayo.
Look at that. Wipe his feet before going down.
Having trouble with
Efren Bata Reyes for the 8th ball.
You notice he actually moves a lot now after he makes that shot.
Nice shot.
probably
Dalawang
frame
bola na lang.
shot to go in. Kinda tilts his body towards the pocket.
And he did that. And he
Efren
moved
Bata
a while ago
Reyes.
when he missed that 6
Yeah.
in the previous track.
Who knows?
Lame kayo! Okay kayo!
Balik sa kalamangan po. 4-3 sa Efren Bata Reyes. At nasa rack 8 na po tayo. Efren Bata Reyes on break.
The one thought about going down didn't. And he did for that, but look at this.
Safety.
No direct shot here.
Wala pong pumasok sa kang break ni magician Efren Bata Reyes.
Wu pushes the ball. Hit the one. Push out. Call for a push.
Wu jacking.
See how he plays it.
Nag-push out.
Pointing.
Efren Bata Reyes. Titirahin ng bola uno.
I don't know what he's gonna do here, to be honest.
Okay.
That's why I was,
Yeah.
just like what happened.
Binalik
the
niya
first
po kay Wu.
time. He gave it right back, but this time he actually looked like he wanted to take it.
Yeah.
And then at the last minute, he said, "Nope, I'll
Like
give
it's-
you the problem."
There's no safe. There's not a good safety with the way the table looks right now. No, but Wu was able to push the one.
Nice safety shot by Wu.
No question he can make contact with that ball. The question is, can he come up with a counter safety?
There you go. Wow.
The answer is
Just behind the 10 ball.
sounding
Wu.
it.
Trying to check.
Binalik po ni Efren Bata Reyes. Ang problema ay kay Wu.
Rail first.
Isang counter safety shot ang ginawa niya.
Partly.
Gonna try to hit this flush. Make that 10 ball travel.
Leave the cue ball there. The one go up. There you go. Didn't want that.
But really going after effort in this angle.
Efren Bata Reyes.
Our aspect of the safety game. And I'm telling you right now, he's not gonna win.
But the last match, Wu and Efren had, I think. Wu
Napakaganda
was
po
able
na safety shot ang binalik na Efren Bata Reyes kay Wu.
As you said a while ago, very good safe player. See, good safety there by Efren. Wu having trouble where he's gonna hit it. He's still able to hit
Tinamaan
that
niya
one,
po ito ng
but he left the one open.
good shot po ang tira po ni Wu.
He's thinking about it, weighing his options.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Pressure is good, like a nervous, no?
Napakagandang bank shot ang ginawa na Efren Bata Reyes.
Three ball.
Talagang magician po itong si Efren Bata Reyes, mga kabilyarista.
Another safety.
Isang safety shot po ang kanyang ginawa para sa ball number 2. Jia King gagamitin ng rail. Good shot.
Oh, goes behind the 10 ball.
Oh, that was lucky.
Yeah,
That was a very lucky kiss.
Nice shot
Can
by Wu.
hit the 2 ball, make it go to the floor, or you can play another safety. Put the down the table and the cue ball just behind the 5 there.
How about it came out? You can see the moment
Too
he hit
strong,
that,
yeah.
he knew it was too strong.
Yeah.
Open siya na po ang bola dos para kay Wu. Napalakas po ang tira na Efren Bata Reyes.
For few people to get their nerves down.
Okay, Earl Strickland. That guy actually shouts at the crowd.
Very interesting player though. Actually pretty good. Wow,
Look at that.
Nice shot.
Pinpoint shooting.
very good pocketing, but position for the three. A little bit awkward. Probably gonna play this behind the 10 ball.
Efren gets off his seat, wondering how he was calling that.
Sablay po ang bang shot ni Wu.
Again, like
Pero double shot po yun.
safety battle.
Safety shot para kay Efren Bata Reyes.
Grab number 8, right?
Yep. It's actually been the longest rack of the entire match. Once he can get up behind, yay!
3 ball, left corner.
Mukhang may kita sa ball number 3.
Right corner. Pocket.
Gagamit ng rail si Wu.
Rail. Let's see if he can pocket it. He can. And now finally the table opens up. After that
Tinamaan niya
long,
po ito pero
drawn-out safety battle.
open shot kay Efren Bata Reyes.
Crowd are up.
That's out.
Oh, careful not to go
1,
behind
2,
the 10.
3, 4, 5. Grabe. 5 reels po ang ginamit na Efren Bata Reyes. Pinaikot niya po ang bola.
I'm not saying that was an easy
Sakto ang preparation.
score, but a while ago that was
I think that was the harder shot, yeah.
the way he had spread in between the 4 and 9.
Oh,
Do a combination or a safety.
He's gonna draw the cue ball back.
possible combination na ba ito mga
Make it
kabilyarista?
follow to the 5.
Nice shot.
Wow naman! Wow!
5-3 na po ang score at nasa rack number 9 na po tayo. Efren pa rin po ang magbe-break.
That time he takes a little bit off.
Oh, may pumasok na bola.
Control that cue
Pang
ball.
cue ball po yata yon.
Like he was rushing things. I mean,
Yeah.
So cue ball scratch sa break ni Efren Bata Reyes at ball in hand kay Wu Jiaking.
went at the ball.
See how he does here.
Race 9 po tayo mga kabilyarista at 5-3 na po ang score. Nasa rack 9 na po tayo.
Let's see how he plays the 5.
Dalawang rack ang lamang ni Efren Bata Reyes sa rising star ng China na si Wu Jiaking. Oh. Medyo binamalas po itong si Wu mga kabilyarista.
I think a position for the 3 is
Naging
wrong.
careless po siya sa kanyang tira.
Position for the 3.
Cue ball scratch at si Efren Bata Reyes, ball in hand.
He had too much angle
Diyos
on
ko
the
po.
3. Good position on the 5. Use the 7 as a stopper, or he can take the 5 in the corner pocket, which he does.
Nako po,
The same pocket as the 5.
ABCD na lang po to kay Efren Bata Reyes. Kalat na kalat ang mga bola.
Side pocket. Oh, makes it go around the table.
Nasa ball number 7 na po tayo. Nice shot pa rin.
Looking at a run out here.
It looks like he's gonna double up here on
So
that
gagamit
thing.
ang dalawang rail dito sa Efren Bata Reyes. Possible 2 rail para sa isang napagandang preparation.
Seen him commit. In all these years, having
Sakto
billiards,
po.
having covering his career. Talk about letting your guard down. That's exactly what happened there from Wu. And the magician taking full advantage.
Efren
Leading
Bata
by 3,
Reyes
4.
looking
By 3.
for his 6th win.
Lock down that 10.
6-3.
And he's lucky to not now. The Filipino.
6-3 na po ang score ng kabilyarista. Tatlong rack ang kalamangan na Efren Bata Reyes kay Wu. Nasa rack 10 na po tayo at may pumasok na bola sa break ni Efren Bata.
He got a good break in rack number 4.
But he doesn't have an open.
I just saw the 10 there, and you know, with
Yeah.
Efren, who knows?
I think he called it. Did he? Oh no.
Safety shot po ang ginawa na Efren Bata Reyes sa ball
Came
number
up
2.
with a simple shot once again. So why was in case the 2-10 didn't go down?
I thought he was gonna put it there. He left it behind the 9 and the 10. Did Wu call a pocket?
It's like he's playing safe here. Straight up.
Oh, would have been a good safety.
Talagang minamalas po itong si Wu Jiaking mga kabilyarista. Tamama po sa isang bola ang ball number 2 at nag-fail po ang kanyang
Here,
isang safety shot na tira.
Go back behind the 9 and the 10.
Well, he wanted it behind the
Yeah.
9
Oh.
in front.
Open shot for Wu
Could
Jiaking.
have put a little bit more space.
Napalakas po ang tira na Efren Bata Reyes.
Left spin, exactly.
That's a monumental mistake here from the magician there to hand the table back.
Go to
60
the
po ang score.
right corner pocket.
Lamang pa rin ang tatlong rack sa Efren Bata Reyes. Nasa rack 10 po tayo.
This one.
Nice shot by Wu.
Yes, he does.
Medyo napalakas ng konti ang kanyang patas.
That one. Now he's gonna have trouble with a front 4 to 5. That was a good shot there.
No problem pa rin.
Push this one.
Nagawan po ni Wu ng mga solusyon para sa preparation na yun.
The ball will naturally
Apat na
go
bola na lang naiiwan sa table.
because of the angle it has with a 4. 5 and 6.
Nice shot.
Now looking at Wu cleaning up the table. Probably saying that it's not over. The 8 hitting the middle of that
Dalawang
rail.
bola lang para kay Wu.
Still he got it.
Either draw it or they can follow through. And he chooses to draw the cue ball.
Hinahon ng konti.
Corner.
Pero no problem pa rin.
Back ball. Gets it. 4-6. Efren still leading though.
Swerte lang yun.
6-4 na ang score. Dalawang rack pa rin ang kalamangan na Efren Bata Reyes. Nasa rack number 11 na po tayo. Nasa rack number 11 na po tayo, mga kabilyarista. At si Wu ang magbe-break. May pumasok na bola sa kanyang break.
Now he's happy because he was hoping that one doesn't go down.
Yeah, because
Pero dumikit ang
now the problem here is how
ball number 1 sa ball number
cue
6.
ball go to the 2. Gonna draw it back between the 9 and the 10.
May awang po pala.
6 and the 10.
Perfect pa rin ang kanyang preparation.
Back or yeah, maybe he's gonna draw it back. I think that's the only option he has. Oh, he forced it in between the 5 and the 10. Efren hasn't won yet.
Kalat na kalat po ang mga bola ng mga kabilyarista.
I think he has
Chance for Wu Jiaking na
Full play after I think 3 years.
tapyasin ang kalamangan na Efren Bata Reyes sa rack na to.
Match after
Well, as we talked about it,
Nasa rack number 11 na po tayo at 6-4 po ang score.
going to Singapore,
Race 9.
he was there for quite a while, doing his residency, and suddenly things didn't go
Nice
the way
shot
he wanted.
by Wu.
Oh, look out, that is scratch.
Oh my God.
Malas naman, oh!
Minamaras po talaga tong si Wu mga kabilyarista.
Crowd goes wild.
Efren Bata Reyes, ball in hand.
6-5.
You hear the crowd shouting.
Francis Edwin.
Wow. See the happening.
Nice shot by Efren Bata Reyes.
The odds are with Efren right now.
This is gonna make it 7-4.
Last ball, number 10.
Yeah, he just stood up. But still,
7-4.
it's still 7-4.
Nasa rack number 12 na po tayo. Balik sa tatlong kalamangan na rack sa Efren Bata Reyes.
And watch that cue
Oh,
ball. Look at the cue ball.
Did it scratch? No. Just hang to the map over.
Wala pong pumasok na bola.
Have a hard time. Cleaning
Pero
the
talagang medyo benas po si Magician. Imbis na pumasok ang cue ball, nag-stop sa bunganga ng butas.
Wow.
Sablay sa kanyang tira si Wu Jiaqing.
And he quickly apologized to Efren.
Oh, nice.
Hitting the one here. Because it's
Sa
near
pong
the nine.
napakagandang safety shot ang nangyari.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
Efren Bata Reyes
Maybe he might not be too worried.
making a possible shot.
Because
Grabe.
make good contact. And look
Wow.
at
Counter safety.
man just
Practice by yourself and who got lucky is gonna win this.
Cue ball behind the core.
Grabe, counter shot pa yun mga kabilyarista.
Now Wu in trouble with his safety. Even if he hits
Kung
it,
kalaban mo si Efren Bata Reyes at ikaw ay minamala sa iyong tira, kahit ang galing mo pa,
oh boy,
medyo kakabahan ka.
amazing. Wow, yeah.
he was coming back to the table. Maybe he was thinking maybe it might have been a
Wu answering Efren's safety with another safety.
wondering like,
Oh, careful. Again.
Stop na naman po ang cue ball.
Snapping thinking. This is
Napatawa
one
na lang
lucky
po
old
si
man.
Magician mga kabilyarista.
But you know, he's one man who has actually generated a lot of his own luck today.
You see the safety.
Isa na namang napakagandang safety shot ang ginawa ni Wu Jiaqing. Efren Bata Reyes, malulusutan pa kaya ulito?
So they won't hit the 9 ball.
What does he have to lose? He's up 7-4.
There you
Efren
go.
Bata Reyes.
But does he have a shot on the 1?
Hanggang dun lang bang kaya mo, sabi niya.
Whoever doubted him before this match,
Oh, they're probably changing their minds right now.
that's for sure.
Wow.
Aw,
Is it safety? I think it is.
medyo manapakapal po ang kanyang tira, pero
You can see it again.
pwedeng makuha sa Mache.
Either one. Probably trying to lead the 9.
Oh, he hit that a little bit hard.
Yeah,
Expected him to.
Long shot ang binigay ni Wu Jiaqing kay Efren Bata Reyes.
That's the kind of shot that Efren is comfortable with.
Dalawa na lang
Yeah, he
po.
missed 2 long shots.
Okay.
Oh, I think it was
Panalo
great.
na sa Efren Bata para sa 5,000 pesos, $5,000 mga kabilyarista.
Saying, okay.
No, it's a safety. I think he was trying to put it behind the score.
He hit the
Open
ball
shot
twice.
for Wu Jiaqing.
Now, I think he can play
Ay napadila na lang po siya.
the 1 in the left corner. Left lower. He's gonna play the 10 in the lower. And he tries it.
Nag-attempt po siya ng isang
Not Efren Bata.
bank shot,
You're not a magician.
pero
Not in this
sumalablay po ito at open kay Efren Bata Reyes ang bola 1. pero walang butas. Safety shot. Ginawa na Efren Bata
Another
Reyes.
simple safety.
Nice shot.
I don't think he had a plan there.
Pero open shot kay Efren Bata Reyes.
Broken by. Whoa.
Oh,
Almost scratched there.
muntik na yan ah.
Boy, now he's left himself with a problem. Just when you were talking about how simple Bata Reyes on the hill.
Free ball.
Masyadong napakalayo po ng ball number 4.
Back shot.
Pero mauna pa po ang ball number 3 para kay Efren Bata Reyes.
Oh. Left 3 open now.
Open shot para kay Wu.
Well, you saw in the first few racks, the pocketing that's going. Wow,
Nice
that was a
shot.
hard shot. And angle,
Sakto pa ang
he
preparation.
was able to put it back for the 4. A little bit far. He had to reach for the 4. Enough angle, he can towards 10, or he can draw it between the 7 and the 8. Get to the 6. I think he chose the first option.
Nice shot by Wu.
No more problems here.
Apat na bola na lang naiiwan.
Gotta cut his deficit back down to 2.
He is the world 9-ball champion, 2005 world 9-ball champion. He is also the 2005 8-ball champion.
Ball number 9
Won 2 world
for Wu.
championships, 1 year.
I think that was duplicated by
Perfect ang kanyang
Yeah.
preparation.
I think Dennis also won 2 world champions.
7-5.
I'm really mad.
At parang duda ka.
The PITC
7-5 na po ang score. Dalawang rack pa rin ang kalamangan na Efren Bata Reyes. At nasa rack number 30 na po tayo. Wu on break po.
That's a big bet.
May pumasok na bola sa kanyang break.
But yeah,
Rack number 13 na po tayo.
because he has
Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan na Efren Bata Reyes. At dalawa na lang din ang kailangan niyang gawin para manalo at mag-uwi ng $5,000 sa torneyong ito.
and he does. He uses it to stop the momentum of the cue ball, throw it back to the 3. So probably he's gonna make the cue ball follow the
Pero
path,
hindi pumapayag po itong si Wu Jiaqing.
force it to go to the rail. Again, the 8 has to
Perfect ang kanyang preparation.
or too little. He has to get it exactly in the middle of the 9.
Nice shot.
Easy run out. I think it's the first break and run out so far. That's true. If he finishes.
Quite a while. It was rain.
Yeah.
A little over an hour and a half.
No break and run out.
5 bola na lang.
What a time for it to happen for Wu. They're able to draw to within. Have to be 5 balls.
He has to get this rack. Because if Efren goes to the hill, it's gonna be one more before he wins. Draws it back.
3 bola na lang para kay Wu
Position for the 8 ball.
para tapisin ang kalamangan na Efren Bata Reyes ng isang
9
rock.
ball is near the pocket, so it's 10.
Perfect.
5 ball. 5.
Hey, just Wu's rack.
Easy shot sa ball number 10.
Goes in.
7-6.
7-6. One more rack.
Measured.
Nasa rack number 14 na po tayo mga kabilyarista.
Been very successful.
Wo on break na
The
pa
way
rin.
the cue stops in the middle after you break.
Problem is right now, it looks like it's gonna be
Yeah,
try break in here.
Wala pong pumasok sa kanyang break. Efren Bato Reyes, open ng 1 ball.
to make the cue ball follow the path of the
Mga
ball.
kabilyarista, isang rack na lang ang kalamangan na Efren Bato Reyes.
Maybe just
7-6 ang score at race 9 lang po tayo. Nice shot by Efren Bato Reyes.
behind the stick.
Napakahirap na pina po ito mga kabilyarista.
Wow. Hear the crowd applauding.
Pero no problem kay Efren Bato Reyes.
No more problem. Draw the
6 na bola na lang.
Oh, he chooses to move it forward.
The experts are predicting a win by Wu Jiaqing.
Well, they didn't expect the magician.
Mauuna po yata si Efren Bato Reyes na makapunta sa hill mga kabilyarista.
Oh, that's
The magical shot such as that can really just rattle your opponent.
3 bola na lang.
very amazing shot.
Brought everybody to its feet here.
Two amazing shots.
And right back to back. Bucketing to 9 and then to 10.
So,
Efren Bato Reyes for ball number 9.
looking at
Yes.
oh,
You can see that cue ball get away from him.
then
Ball number 10.
To 9 and he wasn't happy.
Went too far. See him having trouble with long shots.
Perfect.
There you go.
Efren
Ana, finish na.
Another one.
On the hill.
Isa na lang po mga kabilyarista.
See how he breaks the
Nasa rack number 15 na po tayo. At si Efren po ang nag-break.
no. To the scratch.
Pero po, Kyobuli scratch.
Yeah, but the one doesn't do that.
Ball in hand para kay Wu.
Puts the ball to the pocket.
Kala ko isisilihan na po na Efren Bato Reyes. Pero may chance pa po itong si Wu ng China. Hindi pa po ito sumusuko.
See everyone in their breath. See it in their eyes.
Nice shot.
Ooh, to make a mistake, and he does.
Medyo dumikit po ang
Makes a
bola.
mistake. Trying to get the shot. Careful.
Sa ball number 2.
Careful with a foul.
So no problem para sa kanya yon.
Foul. Safety.
Langanin po ang preparation sa ball number 3.
Oh boy, here comes Efren to the table right now.
Naku po,
Try a combination. 3-4.
anong ginawa mo?
Wants to come in contact with it. Wanted
Efren
to
Bato
go.
Reyes.
Oh, there. Combination. Oh, no.
Oh,
But for the magician, this might just be the perfect way to end this match here at the Casino Filipino.
Let's see.
long shot for ball number 3.
Oh, it's this. That was lucky.
Napakaganda po ng kanyang ginawang safety shot mga kabilyarista. Sinuwerte lang po sa Efren Bato ron.
Maybe he's calling out
Sapagkat
the
ang
magic.
plano niya ay
And it's been working.
combination na po for ball number 3 to 10.
Wu Jiaqing's gonna be able to swing.
Oh,
So they don't get lucky.
Delay out here.
mukhang sisilyo na po na Efren Bato Reyes to mga kabilyarista.
now I
6 na bola na lang po na iiwan sa table.
careful not to get a cover.
Efren Bato Reyes. Para sa kanyang $5,000.
Yeah.
Tatlo na lang po ang naiiwang bola.
Getting ready. Filipino, Filipino.
For me, I think this is the most interesting match I've watched.
Nice shot.
Come up with magical shot after magical shot in the magician. Getting ready to win this one.
Black ball, happy. The happy crowd.
Efren Bata Reyes, sisilyahan na.
Make it official. It's one.
Yes!
Crowd goes wild.
Efren Bata Reyes, winner.
And your winner.
Maraming salamat mga kabilyarista sa inyong panonood. Don't forget to like and subscribe at i-share ang video na to. Maraming salamat po ulit. And God bless po sa inyong lahat.